everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Face, and today is day 7. It's been a week since I've had surgery, and it's kind of the first day I've really felt like moving about just a bit. So I'm trying to make me a snack, and I wanted something different to drink. So I have some Canada Dry ginger ale with some 100% pineapple juice. I'm going to add that together, which I've already done, with some crushed ice. I have some mixed nuts and a banana. So this is my snack for today, and this is kind of the first day I've really felt like moving around and doing things, you guys. So just want to hop on and let you know that I'm still here. I have a video that's coming out on this Saturday at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is hosted by Creations by Simone, and it's by the I Do crew. Creations by Simone is the host, and it's my wedding day, you guys. So please set your dial for this Saturday, June 26th at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There are about 7 of us ladies. We will be sharing with you different ideas and contents as to how to set up a wedding, a reception table for a wedding. It has to be glamorous, or a head table for the bride and the groom. So you guys, you don't want to miss out. And I'm telling you, you want to come back just to see the content we'll be sharing with you guys. Well, that's it. That's all I have to share today. So I appreciate you all so much for stopping by. And again, if you're new and you want to become a part of my family here, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming uploads, especially this coming Saturday. And for all of you that continue to support and show love, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I thank each of you for your prayers and for your well wishes. Be blessed.